Johnny Depp may have won his defamation suit against ex-wife Amber Heard, but the legal drama surrounding Amber Heard is far from over. Amber's attorneys have stated that she'll appeal the verdict, a process that'll likely take years. Does she have a chance of success this time? Well, Amber has little possibility of gaining her second chance, according to new information that keeps emerging. Hello everyone, and welcome to another video. Today we'll be looking at the new footage that shows Amber Heard being abusive. Yeah, you heard it right. So, let's start our video. The post-trial interview that Amber Heard gave to Savannah Guthrie of NBC is rumored to have harmed her prospects of winning an appeal of the judge's judgment, should she choose to pursue one. Earlier, Amber's attorney, Elaine Breedhoff, stated on the Today Show that Heard will definitely appeal to the Pirates of the Caribbean actors if she has solid grounds to do so. However, a lawyer, Brett Turnbull of Turnbull, Holcomb, and Lemoyne, has contradicted that statement. In an interview with Newsweek, he said, Amber is allowed to say anything she wants in her interview without an impact on appeal. But if she does get a new trial post-appeal, she continues to potentially damage her odds of success in a later trial by admitting certain things or making certain comments in the public domain. According to Turnbull, Miss Heard's history, which is littered with dishonesty and aggressive behavior throughout the Johnny Depp and Amber films, is another barrier in the way of her victory. During the course of her defamation trial, Amber was questioned about the events that took place before she started dating Johnny Depp, as well as about her troublesome behavior. In 2009, a Seattle police officer intervened in a fight between Amber and her then-girlfriend Tasha Van Ree, which led to Van Ree's arrest. However, the charges were ultimately dismissed against her. In addition, Amber was questioned over her magazine covers in which she had facial marks, her calls to the paparazzi, and whether or not she had fabricated her experiences of domestic violence in recordings that were shown in court. It seems that she makes fun of Johnny and insults him on occasions. She told him in 2016, "Tell them I'm Johnny Depp. I'm a victim of domestic violence." Heard also admitted to yelling at Depp, calling him vulgar names, and punching him. Additionally, before the appeals process even begins, experts say that it's likely that Heard or her insurance company will have to post a bond showing that she has or can raise the money she owes. However, it is not assured that she'll be able to post the bond because she and her attorneys have indicated that this trial has been a financial strain for the actor. This means that the capacity to post a bond is not guaranteed. If there are no cameras present and there's no opportunity for Amber Heard's testimony to be analyzed, manipulated, or misread on social media, then Amber Heard may have an advantage in the event that she decides to appeal her conviction. The documents that were drafted by the attorneys on both sides of the case will be the primary basis for the decision that will be made by 3 appellate justices from the Virginia Court of Appeals. The case could be appealed first to the highest court of Virginia, which has the authority to accept or reject the case, and then to the Supreme Court of the United States, which also has the authority to accept or reject the case. This would depend on the outcome of the case. Mary Ann Frank, a law professor at the University of Miami School of Law who specializes in civil rights law, stated that Heard's legal team might appeal the judge's decision to allow live streaming of the trial. She said, "What was so extraordinary about this trial is the social media and news coverage of it, making it kind of a circus of public opinion with this case. You have your jury going home, their families have certainly been following this, they see the TikToks and the tweets, and the sequestered jury is being exposed to things that were not admissible in the trial. So, to the extent that Heard's lawyers can argue they were influenced by outside factors that weren't admitted in the trial, that actually has a pretty high likelihood of success in my opinion." Besides, a fan has debunked a fresh theory that Amber is attempting to have the defamation trial thrown out entirely, which has once again sparked debate on Twitter. Amber Heard claims Juror 15 was an imposter seeking a new trial against Johnny Depp. More fans remain on Team Johnny and are exposing Amber's lies. It enrages me that Amber Heard is asking for a reduction in the money she owes. Johnny Depp offered to not have her pay if she doesn't appeal, and she refused. Things have to be on her terms, and she has to look like the victim because he won't reduce it. Now, she's a manipulative, vile person. However, there are some supporters of Amber. If Ms. Heard can appeal, she will and she should because it's the right thing to do. Even if she appeals and loses, it still would have been the right thing to do. This is far from over, as Death likes to say. Truth never perishes. Will Heard ever make it to appeal? And does she have a chance to win the next time? We will see everything in the coming days. And that's all for today's video. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section below. I hope that you found this video interesting. If you want to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. See you in the following video with some more of the latest updates, and until then, stay tuned.